I've always recommended sand instead of the crazy salt de-icers because you're not putting salt out to go into your turf and your beds when you use sand. And the best sands are volcanic sands. I've always recommended lava sand. It works great and it's a little bit lighter and easier to use than this, but this works well too. This is basalt. And it's volcanic also, of course, and it works great. That pattern just happened accidentally. Put it out with a 5-gallon bucket, and as I sloshed it as I was walking, it just came out in that nice pattern. Give it a try, works great.